Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy and interesting way to play GTA 5 on your mobile phone without doing any complicated setup or changes. So let's get started. To begin, grab your phone and open the Play Store. In the search bar, type Cheeky Game. You'll see the app appear in the results. Open it and install it on your device. After the app is installed, open it up. Once you're inside, look for the bottom middle search icon and tap on it. Now, type GTA. From the list that appears, tap on the first GTA option. On the next screen, tap the play button. You'll be asked to sign in, which you can do quickly using either your Google account or Facebook account. After logging in, tap on play once again. Now here's something important to know. You'll see multiple GTA 5 modes, including story mode, online mode, and enhanced mode. Only the online mode is premium and requires payment. All the other modes are playable, where 1 coin gives you around 3 minutes of gameplay. You can earn coins for free inside the app, or purchase them if you want. Simply select the playable option to continue. An advertisement may appear at this point. Just wait a few seconds and close it. After that, the app will test your internet connection. Here, choose the nearest server based on your location, and you'll see a waiting timer. Right now, the wait time is roughly 60 minutes, but can change depending on server availability and timing. Once the wait is over, GTA 5 will start running on your mobile screen. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy GTA 5 on your phone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.